Hey, what's up guys? Just gonna do a really quick unboxing of the McKillans Swivel Gun PRO that I got off of Amazon. Got a really good deal on it. This is the ultimate, basically, swivel gun that you can get off of Amazon. It's great, really good company, made in Canada, very high quality product, and it's supposed to be the best of the best, especially if you're detailing. This thing is rated at a 7 gallons per minute maximum. It's also rated at a maximum of 4,000 PSI. If you want to shoot heated water out here, the max temperature is 140 degrees or 60 degrees Celsius. But I just want to kind of show you the general overview on it, do an unboxing. I can't wait to get it set up. The unboxing is super nice. When you open it, everything is packed very well. It does include adapters, so that's a crucial thing here. If your pressure washer is using M2214, you actually can use it without having the adapter, but the good thing is they also include an adapter for M22 15mm as well. So using this manual here, you're able to make it work with whatever type of pressure washer hose it is, whether it's M22 14mm or M22 15mm. And then here are the brass connectors that come with that, which are able to let you use that. This is your quick connect, which allows you to make the adapter if you did have the 14 mil. But here is the gun itself. What's super great about this gun is how apparently it's supposed to be super easy to press the wand, and you can be able to, I mean, look how easily you're able to open it. It's super easy. It makes it where you're not going to have fatigue if you're washing and detailing for long periods of time. That right there, way easier. It's almost effortless compared to my last gun. So I'm very excited about that. You still got this piece here that allows you to pop it so that you don't actually activate it. Like if your pressure washer was off, for example, you didn't want it to dry, you could have it set like that. Or the water was off, you didn't want it to dry pump, you could set that there as a safety. Also really cool is you've got the pieces here to hold your tips. So I keep a 40 degree and a 35 degree here depending on where I'm working. So you've got those there. You've got your quick connect up front. And then there is the wand itself. Also, here's your cap. There is your swivel connector. So this allows you where you're never going to have kinks whenever you hook your hose up to it. It's just going to able to unwind itself because of that swivel feature, which is super nice. So if you guys are looking for a great pressure washer gun for your detailing setup, I would highly recommend you guys checking this thing out. I like the color setup. The pastel red and blue looks really sweet. And the main feature for me is having that effortless trigger. Being able to wash this super easy with not having to pull it back really hard is super nice. So I would highly recommend you guys checking this out.